Wait. I'm gonna let you out. Wait. This boy done lost his mind. He is obsessed with airplanes. Didn't I tell you don't jump out the truck? I told you to wait. Don't jump out the truck. Now, look. There you go. See there? That's an F-100C airplane, okay? Look at there. See that? See all the airplanes? Come, let me pick you up where you can see. Now look.
I see this. It got tires.
Yep, see that?
Yeah.
Look at that. That's a big one.
Yeah.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Which one you like?
It's like
You want the black one?
yeah.
You got to get that one.
Yeah.
Look at that one. Look at that one.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. This one cool.
Right? See, that's an F-104.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Straight ahead. That's an F-104. See that?
Uh-huh.
You see that?
Yeah. Two.
And right there,
Yeah.
look at that. That's a F-100A. Look at that.
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah. It's the pretty two airplanes over there.
All those airplanes over there.
You might get this one?
I'll get that one.
I'm going to get this one.
And you get the black one. And we're going to ride.
Yeah.
And where we going to go?
Go
Up in the sky.
Yeah.
Where we going?
Over the sky.
Up in the sky. Where we going?
Over the sky.
All the way in the sky. Where we going? All the way in the sky. And where we going? All the way in the sky. And where we going? All the way in the sky. Where we going? All the way in the sky. Okay. That's enough.
Yeah.
I hope that made you sleepy. Did looking at the airplanes make you sleepy enough for a nap?
No.
It didn't?
Yeah.
Now get your ass back in. Put your seatbelt on. You got it. You don't need no help. You're a big boy. You got it. There you go. He said, you help me? I said, you got it. Oh, okay. Had to see the airplane. You know, my Uncle Herbert used to bring me to the airport. And when I used to stand at this fence, I was obsessed with airplanes. And then I ended up being able to fly one. Never thought in a million years I would be able to fly a plane. But who knows what they'll pick up, man. Kids so impressionable. So, all right.